I'm Jennifer of GMK Visa Korea. Today, we'll look into E7-4 visa details in 2018. Please check contents carefully and check your point. Before I let you know about E7-4, yesterday announced in the third quarter from Ministry of Justice. Application July 2nd to 4th, only 3 days. Announced successful applicants July 6th, on Friday, 9 o'clock in the morning. There are two changes. One is submit your diploma only once. That means if you submit your diploma before at immigration office, so now you don't have it. You have only copy one, it's okay. But even you don't have copy, it's okay, but you have to write the reason. The second one, you can apply without reservation, but you have to wait for a long time. Okay, let's look into E7-4. You can apply if you have E9 or E10, and also you have to work for more than 5 years in Korea. That means you can only re-enter as seasonal workers or pass the special Korean retest. But criminal, tax delinquents, Immigration Control Act 4 times more violators cannot apply. In 2018, a total of 600 will be selected. One of the change's biggest thing is not to select all people at once, but divide to them quarterly. There are 4 quarters: January, April, July, October. Each quarters to select 100 people. But if you have more than 75 points or who works in excellent company can apply. It doesn't matter quarters. General quarters, how to register? Before, it used to be first to come, first to served basis, but now it's changing in order to high point holder selection. Another change thing is allowance. One foreigner can get E7-4 visa even if the company no Korean workers. That means every company that employ E9 or E10 can get E7-4 visa. Change at least 1 person in construction, agriculture, and livestock industry, fishing. If your annual salary more than 26 million won for 2 years, and then you can get 52 points, and you can apply. It's to say you have to earn 2.2 million won every month. But if your annual salary less than 26 million won, you have to get 72 points, and then you can apply. Don't forget, it's not the first come, first served basis. It's high point holder selection. Let's look at details. First one is a technical score. That means salary point. If your annual salary, over 33 million won, you can get 20 points. Over 30 million won, 15. Over 26 million won, you can get 10 points. Next one is education. If you graduate of university for 4 years, you can get 20 points. For 2 years, you can get 10. Graduate high school, you can get 5 points. Also, you can apply if you are graduate of business school. No limit on academic achievement. Next one is age. If you are age under 24, you can get 20 points. But if you are 39 years old, you can get only 2 points. Last year, there are only 4 levels, but this year they divided 6. So yellow one is changed it. Next one is Korean. You have to pass the Korean test, like TOEIC or KIIP. You have to complete level 5, you can get 20 points. Level 4, 15, level 3 is 10, level 2 is 5 points. Level 1 is no point. Next one is property. There are 2 ways. One is installment savings and just savings. Installment saving is if you have over 100 million won, you have to get 15. But if you have over 30 million won, you can get 5. But the saving property is if you have over 100 million won, you have to get 20 points. If you have over 50 million won, you can get 10 points. Next one is work experience. If you work over 6 years in root industry, agriculture, livestock industry, fishery, you can get a 15 points. If you work over 4 years, you can get a 10 points. But general manufacturing or construction industry, you can get a 10 points, and over 4 years, 5 points. Next one is domestic education. If you graduate university in Korea, you can get a 10 points. Over college, 8 points. Language school over 1 year, 5. Less than 1 year, you can get a 3 points. Province point. If you work over 4 years in province area, you can get a 10 points. 3 years, 7. 2 years, 5 points. Next one is added point. You can, if you have the domestic master or doctor, and then government agency recommendation is 10 points. Over university, 5 points. Volunteer activity, 3 points. And then tax payment performance, 5 points. Next one is deduction. If you break the immigration law even 1 time, you are the 5 points deduction. But 2 times, minus 10. 3 times is minus 50. Also same as domestic law. I'll let you know one more time. If your annual salary more than 26 million won for 2 years, and then you can get 52 points, and then you can apply. But if your annual salary less than 26 million won, you have to get 72 points, and then you can apply. Yes, high point holder selection. Last second quarter, the cut line was 57 points. So most important is you have to get more and more points. This is GMK schedule. If you want to apply on July, you have to consult and contract until May. So preparation on June, we can apply July. You want to apply on October, you have to prepare on September, and we can apply October. We have most experience and information about the E7-4 visa. I hope you find the best way to work with GMK. GMK will do our best for you. Thank you.